All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking how to write a killer VSL script. I've got an 11-step framework for you, and it looks like this. Shock statement, attention grabber, pain, twist the knife, over the edge, solution, credibility testimonials, proof demo, offer, tell them what they get, reasons to act now, risk reversal, and finally a call to action. So in this video, we're going to go through each step one by one. I've got an example to back it up, and by the end you'll be able to use this framework to knock up a VSL really quickly and easily. Okay, so let's get in. So before we get started, I have dreamt up a fictional service, something that we're actually going to sell through our VSL, just to use as an example. And this is it. Okay, so we're going to be targeting restaurants, we're going to be targeting restaurant owners. We're going to say basically, hey, you've got a shit website, it's losing you a lot of money, it's losing you customers every single day, and we can fix this by making it mobile responsive for you. Okay, so this is what we're selling, this is the service. All right, so let's get in there, let's see how these steps work. Number one, we're going to bring in a shock statement or an attention grabber. Okay, did you know 50% of your website visitors come from mobile? Okay, we've hooked them in, they're thinking, oh no, that's a lot, I didn't know that. Okay, number two, we're going to hit them with some pain. So if your website looks anything like this or as shit as this, then you are losing serious money every single day. Okay, we've hit a pain point. Now they're like, well, holy fuck, I'm losing money because of this. That's a problem, that's something that I want to fix. Okay, we've hit pain point, losing money. Number three, we're going to twist the knife. So we're going to make that pain a bit worse now. Okay, we're going to come in, stick in the knife, put in the boot. The fact is, your customers take one look at a website like this and they think, shit website, shit business. Okay, so now we're twisting the knife and we're telling them, hey, your website's really letting you down. People think you're a joke. Okay, and then we're going to push them over the edge, push them off the cliff. All right. And this is such a shame, because even though you have an amazing restaurant, your website is repelling customers and it's sending them straight to your competition. So right now, our restaurant owner, they're thinking, well, this is the fucking limit, you know? Not only am I losing money every day, not only do people think my business is a joke because of my website, but also I'm handing all my customers to the restaurant next door because my website's letting me down. So we've really, hit the pain, twisted the knife, and pushed them over the edge. Now we're going to bring in some relief. Okay, we're going to bring in our solution. That, hey, luckily this is an easy fix, and this is where whoever's watching, they're like, oh well, thank God for that. Okay, I'm all ears. Tell me more. What is it? What's the solution? Okay, we've got them now. Then you're going to bring in some credibility and some testimonials. So this is where you can introduce yourself, okay? So you can say something like, hey, I'm Nick, and I've helped hundreds of small businesses fix their website and never lose out on a customer again. Here's what people are saying about me. And you can drop in some real testimonials. You can say, John from London is saying this, and yeah, and Nick sorted my website in 24 hours, it's amazing, it looks great, all that sort of stuff. Drop in a few testimonials from real people. Social proof is massive, okay? Next, number 7, we're going to bring in a proof or demo, okay? This is where you can actually say something like this. Let me show you how this works. Here's a website a client sent me, and here's how it looks now, and this took me 48 hours to fix. Okay, this brings it all back to the show, don't tell. Okay, so there's no point in just telling people, I can do this for you, I can do this for you. Show them, demonstrate them, say this is a website, this is what it looked like, and bam, this is what I turned it into. Okay, always demonstrate what your product, what your service is actually concretely doing. Number 8, offer. Tell them what they get. So this is where you're going to bring in your offer, bring in your price. So you say something like this. Here's what I'm offering. For $297, I'll make your website mobile friendly. I'll deliver it in 48 hours. This is a one-time fix. Okay, so you're going to list the tangibles that people are actually getting. Okay, and here you can see that I've done a little bounce between features and benefits. Okay, you always want to do this. So I'm offering this for $297. You're going to get a mobile friendly website. That's a tangible, that's a feature, that's what people are concretely getting. But people might be thinking, okay, so remind me, why the fuck should I care about that? Well, if it's mobile friendly, you never have to lose on a customer again. They're like, oh yeah, cool, okay, benefit, all right? Again, a feature here delivered in 48 hours. Again, people are thinking, okay, but remind me, why the fuck do I care about that? You're like, well, so you don't have to wait weeks, all right? They're like, oh yeah, okay, cool, okay, we're getting this fixed quickly. One-time fix, why should I care? Well, so you never have to deal with this again. You know, one-time payment, one-time fix, headache solved once and for all. Okay, and they're like, oh yeah, okay, cool. So we're just doing feature, benefit, okay? List what you got. Number 9, reasons to act now. Okay, you want to bring in some scarcity, some urgency, because otherwise people are just gonna, you know, sit on this and they'll think, oh yeah, okay, this is cool. I'll come back to this in a week's time. No, you want them to act now, right now, today. So you can say stuff like this: we need to act now. Okay, your website is live. It's live on the internet right now. People are hitting it, and it's losing you customers as we speak. Okay, people think you're a joke for every second that you don't get this fixed. All right. That's a bit of urgency you can bring in. You can also bring in some price urgency, you know. For the next 24 hours, I'm running a 50% discount. That's always cool, you know. That's a reason to jump on it quickly. So reasons to act now, scarcity, urgency. The next bit is a risk reversal. Number 10, risk reversal. This is usually where you bring in a money back guarantee. So this is all backed by a rock solid, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So, you know, pay today, and if you don't like the service, if you're not happy with it, you can get your money back. It's no risk to you. You know, you're either really happy or you get your money back. That's it. Okay. So do that risk reversal, and then finally bring in your call to action. Okay. And with your call to action, you want to be very specific about, you know, the steps and the steps that they take. I'll show you this. So you say, hey, so you ready to get started? Click the button below. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Fill in your details. Once you've submitted your order, you'll receive an email, and bam. Okay. So ready? Click the button to get started. And that's it. Okay. Your call to action wants to be very specific. Just explain, you know, click the button. Explain the next steps so people can be really clear in their mind the process that they're going to go through, the what to expect on the next page, sort of thing. Okay, and that's it. That is it. Okay, quick recap. You want to have a shock statement or attention grabber. It's just a one-liner to hook them in. You want to hit the pain. Okay, you want to twist the knife, make them feel even worse. You want to push them over the edge so they're thinking, this is a joke. All right, and then bring in that relief, bring in that solution, make them, you know, just make them relax. Like, oh, thank God, this guy's got me. You know, this guy's here to help me. And then bring in, you know, why you're the man for the job, who you've helped before. Give an actual proof or demo so they can really picture in their mind, you know, what their site, you know, like how it's going to help them. And then offer, tell them what they get, list it. As I said, list exactly the tangibles, the concrete that they're going to get with the feature benefit sort of bounce. Reasons to act now, scarcity, urgency. Make sure that they don't put this off for another day or another week or another month. Risk reversal, just make it no risk to them. They're not going to lose out any money doing this. And then finally, your call to action, make it specific. Tell them, you know, where to click, why, what's going to happen next on the next page. And that's it. Okay, that's your 11-step framework. Hope you enjoyed this video. All right, I hope it helps you create a banging VSL. Come back to this whenever you're knocking one up, really. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, give us a like, give us a subscribe, really appreciate it. And I'll catch you real soon in another video. All right, take care.